All right, so in this video, I really want you to practice organizing yourself if we're going to be in distant learning. So I want you to create some folders in your Google Drive to make sure you're organized, to put your notes, to put your assignments for all of your courses. And so that's what we're going to practice today. So I want you to try to follow along if you can, or pause the video if you don't know how to do these folders. So right now you need to go to a new tab and go to Google, and you should be signing in. If you're not, you need to sign in under your @apps account. But then there's those 9 dots, and then if you put your cursor over it, says Google Apps. So you want to click that and go to Drive. Now, in Drive, on the left side, there's going to be a plus sign, and that's going to help you to create these folders. So you hit the plus sign, and you hit Folder, and then let's just do Biology. Okay, so type in Biology. So now we have a folder for Biology. Now, I don't want you to put everything all in this just one folder. We need to put in subfolders. So you're going to click on it, and then it's empty. So we're going to add some folders. We're going to first organize it by unit. So you can say Unit 9, Protein Synthesis. Great. And I want you to add another folder for Unit 10, Genetic Engineering. Okay? And then let's just do one more. Unit 10, oops, yep, Unit 10, Evolution. 10, Evolution. Okay, so now I want you to go within each folder, and I want you to organize your folder too. I don't want you to just put all assignments, all notes, all reviews, everything in a hodgepodge mess. So you're going to click on Unit 9, and I want you to add a folder that says Notes, perhaps. Okay. Now this is going to be, at this point, this is going to be up to your preference. Maybe you could put assignments. Okay. Maybe you want to put reviews. This is where you could put the study guide or things like that. Okay, so this is how I want you to organize it. So when we take notes on one of our distance learning days, you like all that music back in the background? We're going to place all of your notes in the notes folder. When we do an assignment, it's a Google Doc assignment, or it's a Google Slides assignment, or it's a web quest or something, put that in your assignments. And this is how I want you to organize yourself. So I want you to screenshot that you have showed me this picture. So if you have a Chrome, there is a certain 3 button that you can push to screenshot. All right, so for a Mac, it's Command-Shift-4, and then you have this, see my little symbol here, and then you just drag over what I want you to show me, and then you got a screenshot. See how it showed up right there? So for Chromebooks, it's Control, what is it? Control F5, and then that's how you can screenshot. And then I want you to upload this in your assignment so you can prove to me that you did your folder organization for our practice distance learning today. It's good to see you guys.